Hello woodworkers, we would like to introduce you to our Wadkin Bursgreen BSWHD 400R-Heavy duty rip saw. This machine is constructed around a heavy gauge welded steel chassis with a strong cast iron main table. Footprint dimensions are 1330mm width by 2170mm length. Let us show you the main features on this rip saw. It has a large working surface area with a support table on the right and an extension table at the rear of the machine supported with a leg. There is a 680mm width of cut from blade to fence, the rip fence being a heavy cast iron base running on a solid steel bar with fine width adjustment, and a deep section alloy extrusion sliding fence rail. Shown here is how to make the fine adjustment to give you the exact measurement that you require. Here you have the push stick and holder, a conveniently situated control box with the main start button, main stop button, and the emergency stop. A separate foot-operated emergency stop switch is conveniently situated to provide extra operator safety. This rip saw is supplied with a heavy-duty cast iron mitre fence, giving you the facility to make angle or compound cuts, and safe storage when it's not in use. All adjustments to the blade height and tilt are made from large cast iron hand wheels. The 5.6 kilowatt 415 volt 3-phase motor drives the 400mm diameter blade, giving ample power even at the maximum 130mm depth of cut. The saw motor frame is a substantial casting, providing rigidity and strength strong enough to produce large section timber for any roofing, joist or gate post manufacturers. Supplied as standard, a premium crown guard that you can position with minimum effort, providing full blade protection. This overhead guard gives excellent dust-free machining with 2 anti-friction wheels. We have 2 dust extraction parts on this rip saw. One is 150mm and the other one is 100mm, perfect to control sawdust during the cutting process. Thank you for watching. If you need any more information, please click on the link below. This is AMS, your woodworking service company. Goodbye.